Hey guys, Drew here with Tenkara Rod Co. Right now we're just going to demonstrate some simple techniques on how to cast. It's important to note that these are techniques that I personally use. There's lots of different ways to cast a Tenkara rod. We're just going to show you the simplest overhand method that you can use pretty much anywhere. Okay, so basically I'm just going to wrap my hand around the cork of the rod. And then I usually like to put one finger right here just to give it a little extra mobility. And that's basically how I grip the rod. If you want, you can slide that hand down a little more. You can use the thumb as that mobility. You can go up a little higher. There's lots of different methods, but... So the first thing you're going to want to do when you're casting a Tenkara rod is make sure your feet are firmly planted. And then choose the grip that you want to use to cast and stick with that, or change it up depending on how you feel. And then it's just a basic overhand cast. So since you're not casting very much line, you don't have to really draw out your cast. You can just use simple wrist movements to really propel the line to where it needs to go. And by doing this, you have a lot more control over the line and over your presentation. Another great part about casting with the Tenkara rod is it allows you to keep the line off the water. So you cast out, let the fly hit, and then just keep that rod extended in the air and keep the fly presented and the line off the water.